spicy right now. I'm about to pass out.
Why would you get medium?
I told you not to get. I told her not to get medium. Hey everyone, it's Kiki. I'm back with another video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. I'm going to Hot and Juicy. So I'm at the Miracle Mile shops, and in Miracle Mile there's Hot and Juicy. And me personally, I don't love Hot and Juicy like that because I'm not a huge like seafood, crab legs, crab fish type of person. I'm more, I don't know, that's just not my type of cuisine. But this place is really, really good. If a guy tells you he's taking you on a date to Hot and Juicy, he's an F-boy. So I'm trying to find it. My friends say they're here. Okay, so I found everyone, y'all. So now, here's Amani. Hi. Oh, hold on. Hi. I know y'all remember me. Yeah, y'all remember her. If you remember Amani, leave a comment below. But, so we're trying to get to Hot and Juicy so we can get...
No, she's trying to get a Hot and Juicy. I know where it is.
Thank you.
So, I'm directing.
True.
To the spot.
True. All I'm thinking about is crab legs. Like, how do you expect me to get to the right location? I don't understand. Okay, we here finally. Hot and Juicy Crawfish. You know they. Oh, this is not your daddy, y'all. Never mind.
I set her up a failure. I'm so sorry, y'all.
It's afterwards. But yeah, what I was trying to tell everybody was like, Hot and Juicy is really good. You go there like twice a week or something like that.
Twice a week.
Why?
And because it's so good. First of all, I'm from Maryland, so the blue crab, that's my thing. I crave seafood. Like, my mom only ate seafood when she was pregnant with me, like, and I'm not allergic, so I just crave everything. Like, seafood,
she loves
everything.
She loves seafood, y'all. So that's why we're here. We passed it. It's fine. We were focused on telling y'all why Amani loves it. Thank you.
Okay, first off, what are you guys drinking?
There were 2 for 1 drinks. And it's Friday.
It's Friday. We had a stressful week, y'all. We're out here trying to change the world. Oh, Jason's putting his bib on, everyone. Look at Jason in the bib, okay? I haven't even ordered yet. Bibs are on.
One like hot and juicy, the other one like boiling crab.
I hate
Your other one is straight and boiling crab. To me, it's flavorless.
Yeah, it's
flavorless. Like,
me and my mom went when she was here, and I was just like, this was very hyped. No, this was overhyped.
When my dad came into town, it was about.
There's a Hot and Juicy in DC and Virginia, and I had gotten my mom some leftovers from Hot and Juicy. So then when we went to the boiling crab, we were like literally just testing it out, and it was not it. My mother was not impressed,
and neither was I. To me, the boiling crab tastes like they don't understand what seasoning is
at all.
You know, at all. Exactly. Like they know what fresh
it was
fish
more
is.
garlicky than it needed to be. So you do the shrimp and then you do the seasoning.
No, but I want crab legs too. So
you can do both in the bag.
Am I doing the most? No,
because that's what Erica's doing. You can do both in the bag.
Okay, should I get the blue?
But do half a pound of shrimp and then a pound of crab legs.
And can I get a half pound of crab legs?
You can. It has to be a pound.
Well, I'm gonna just get a pound, but should I get blue, snow, or pink?
You should do the snow crab legs, a pound of snow crab legs, Hot and Juicy, baby spice. Are you spicy?
Yes, ma'am. I need at least medium.
I usually do medium. So that, and then you can do your shrimp in the same bag, but you can do a half a pound of shrimp in the same bag.
This smells vegan. Oh! I'm gonna have way too much food though, and I'm not gonna eat the leftovers because it's gonna be
Normally, ma'am,
what?
you have to eat the leftovers. That's what all the flavor is in.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. I'm gonna eat the leftovers.
Okay, y'all need to teach Kiara how to eat seafood. She has to understand. She has to eat the entire thing. There's nothing left on the plate. Period.
Why though? Okay, like
Because it's so good. What are you talking about?
so I'm gonna get all this meat and then do I get sides or is that extra?
The sides are extra, but normally I can either rice or fries because I can put the sauce on the rice or the sauce on the fries.
See, Amani's an expert, y'all. I'm gonna just give y'all her contact information. information. If y'all want to go to Hot and Juicy, you can ask her because I have no clue what's going on here, and she can direct you. So I'm gonna get the pound of snow crab, half pound of shrimp, and the side up fry. What are you getting?
I'm just gonna get a half pound of, I'm gonna get a whole pound of snow crab legs, hot and juicy medium, and then I want to get the calamari. I think it's payday.
It's payday. We got money for one day, okay? We're rich, okay?
I think that's what I'm doing. Normally I would get the rice or the fries, but I don't know. You're probably not gonna eat all your fries. So
No, I'm not. Y'all know what we're ordering. It's about to be, oh, my mouth's wide. It smells really good in here. No, when y'all come, it smells bomb as heck. So, be ready for
mouth has been drooling all week.
Y'all, look who decided to show up.
Hi there, my name is Landis, and this is Disney 365.
Wasn't that funny?
There, I'm Landis, and we are watching Disney 365.
You are not watching Disney, you're watching Kikiholly. Get that correct.
Bucket in a bowl. It's gonna be hot chicken baby slice.
In a bucket, in a bowl. Wait, is it a bucket or is it a bowl? I'm confused.
Wait, what you mean I'm fake?
You've been acting real fake.
On a 12.
But
You need to be on a
it's not a
3.
don't. Anyway, hello, welcome back to Kiara's channel.
This is Kiara.
She's currently filming on the G7X, and we are at Hot and Juicy. This is what the menu looks like. I got a lot. I don't know what I spent my money on.
Okay, yeah, I'm recording. Y'all, so I can't see myself from I put my deep voice on, y'all. I can't see myself, so I'm gonna have to put this flash on, okay? Wait. Let me put the flash on, okay, y'all? So, we are on her YouTube channel, and we're about to take over. It's called The Landis Takeover. Like, YouTube gonna block the heck out of me because I'm using F-bombs and all of that shenanigans.
What happened to your deep voice?
Oh, my deep voice is back in town. So, YouTube. No, I'm just playing YouTube. I love you, YouTube. But I'm hijacking her stuff. We got to eat this shrimp, these cocktails, and somebody's my camera to the right just trying to serve face. But y'all, I'm about to look up because I look cockeyed and I ain't trying to look like Tiffany Haddish because she cocked in the pistol. She like this.
You cannot get her talking
Girl
about
trip, she ready. Like, dog, your eyes wasn't ready, okay? My eyes is ready. You wasn't ready, baby. But I'm not talking shit because I want to work in a movie with her. And I'm gonna be like, hey, Tiffany, she like, and I'm a sign under that disclosure. I'm like, at least me and you got something in common with Beyonce. You got wrote about. I just listened. We cool, girl. Girls trip too.
Goodbye. Say bye. Your time is over.
My time is over, so thank you for seeing me later.
Signing off.
Welcome to my crazy life.
It's not so crazy because Kiki's acting like she doesn't want to be around us, but it's fine.
No, I'm not. And when did I act like that?
What are you doing, Kiki?
Oh, I'm just looking in my bag.
Oh, little
I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too.
That's why every time you see me, I got a new pair of shoes.
So tell me why this guy just told me, he was like, can I come over and see you? I said, well, do pigs fly? So he was like, nah. I said, so can you answer your question? Then he was like, nah, can I see you? I was like, yeah, you can see me. I was like, I'll cook for you. I'm not Betty Crocker from the hood. I'm not cooking. You love it. I was just playing. I'm about to eat this fried boiled shrimp at Hot and Juicy, y'all.
Fried boiled.
Okay.
He probably got the
At Hot and Juicy.
After like 3 times. We're at Hot and
Yeah, it's fried and boiled, y'all.
How does no crab hot juicy baby sauce? She already got her food. And you know, pound hot juicy medium. That's my sis. This is now a mukbang, right? This smells so good. Yo, this is so spicy right now. I'm about to pass
Why
out.
would you get medium?
I told her not to get medium.
They didn't
so
get
good.
both ways.
Y'all want some crab?
That's why. The people in the kitchen was Paul. They didn't have no more. They had no more to give. I don't like eating. I don't like doing something I have to work for. Because I don't work for a meal at all. So I can't have time for breaking. So I get fried food, you know. It's okay for your cholesterol if you're not obese.
This whole scene is probably gonna be edited out. Right. No, we mean.
It ain't gonna make the cut.
No, Jason, me, you, and Iman. Jason has had this kid for 2 years.
Mine is, I wanna have kids
by the time I'm 28. So let's do this.
Same. So I'm a little lit. One thing I'm gonna tell y'all, in Vegas, they got 3 for 10. Landis is a finesser, okay? So he got 3 for 10. We got a whole big gulp of a shot for $10, and it was enough to split between all 3 of us. And then we got a chaser of cranberry juice. I honestly, I can't.
I don't know what he said, but
Right.
But it made sense to him and he liked it.
He showed it. He was like, okay.
we're leaving hot and juicy. If you're new, subscribe. I will see y'all tomorrow.
This is some scary, y'all.
Some scary stuff.
Okay, you got a lion and you got a tiger
Thank you.
and you got bears.
I will see y'all tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bath and Body